A.M. Of A.M. About 2024. Welcome for Onsang. Oh.
Kailangan yung pangmayan sa parang pagkaas. Pero malamang nito, JCL, baka sa mga susunod na report mo, bukas sa akin, baka nagbibilang.
Na po kayo at ibabasahin po natin yan sa ating Viber number 0919-278-3000, also on our social media pages.
Sila rito, he will not cooperate. Importante po rito.
Minsan gantong oras yung algorithm na tinatawag ni Facebook. Pag gantong oras parang ang dami nagre-react agad sa
Ada sa po. F can say what?
Good day.
mga sabon, lotion. Balikan lang natin nung Biyernes, nanalo po
Traffic smiling kasi yung mga barangay masara, ano kasi yan, main side of traffic smiling. So, ay service pass po na pinagpropose.
mayroon po akong nakita. Sabi doon, what we eat makes us dirty.
Na dapat malaman po ng ating mga kababayan, bigyan po natin ng dami. Yung ating mga tagapakinig ay eager po to hear out some
AM.
Panalo mo! Ibang swerte mo. Bet88.ph.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly.
Get 100.
Saupan mo ka.
Ban ata lusmi, ing ulaga.
Memories, one by one, since you took me.
At importanteng malaman ng consumers ang totoo. Totoo ba yan?
What can I say to you?
1806, sabi niya, good
Don't want to feel nothing at all. You like
station. So thank you so much to the 6th Gawad La Salioneta 2024 of De La Salle. Or even just a few minutes to listen and ponder on what we have to say.
Bye again. Bye, Pets.